Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, good morning. Good morning for, I don't know, I'll probably post this in the evening. But yeah, the day has just started. The day has just started and I have this time frame only to shoot today. So I'm shooting right now. And yes, continuing the solo artist week, today's reaction is 100 Ways by Jackson. Yes, my boy Jackson's solo song, and this is produced by his company only, Team Wang, that's the company's name, I think. So yes, without dealing this is also not a very old song. This came last year, March 2020, so less than a year old. And yes, let's without dealing this, let's react to my boy Jackson. So excited, 100 Ways. 3-minute 38 second song. So 3-minute 38 seconds of Jackson I'm gonna witness here. What a great start to the day. What a great start to the day. Yes. Alright. Let us begin without dealing this any further. Oh, Graveyard? It's gonna be a dark, gritty kind of song. Please don't tell me he's gonna come up from the grave like a zombie. Yeah, I think so. I'm already intrigued. This is interesting.
You turn over the hourglass, the sand is falling down, oh it's too fast for you, oh you. Don't waste your love, just let it last, cause once it's gone it's never coming back. It's true, cause you love.
I'm okay. The day has just started, okay, and I'm witnessing this. The first thing in the morning is this is what I'm watching. The first thing in the morning. Not even had my breakfast. Why do you need breakfast when you have Jackson Wang in front of you? You don't. Okay. Sorry.
Oh you. Don't waste your love, just let it last, cause once it's gone it's never coming back. It's true, cause you love me the same. Tell me what makes you stay.
Wait, is it English? Is the song English? Huh? Okay, we'll find out.
There's 100 ways to leave a love, leave a love, leave a love. 100 ways to leave a love.
Who left you, Jackson?
There's 100 ways to leave a love, and I won't wait a minute longer. 100 ways to leave, but I'm the only one that you need.
So true. Huh? Oh my god. English song. Oh wow, yes, and I know Jackson has a little deeper sort of voice, and here he's sounding so great when he says there's 100 ways to leave a lover, but you only need me. Of course, Jackson. How did you know? Sounding so great, looking so great, and again, I wish they had shown the visual of him coming out of the grave, sort of. That would have been fun.
I won't wait a minute longer. 100 ways to leave,
Making him wear
I'm the
the
only one that you need. It's the final curtain call.
It's an English
If
song.
you're ready, I will give my all for you, for you. Let them say it how they want. If I can love you good, it's no one's fault. Ooh, could you love
Can
me?
I just say who only. Tung tada tung tada tung tada tung tada. This is the basic beat of the song. Tung tada. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely, ringing in my ears. Oh, okay, colorful. Spring.
Tell me what makes you stay. There's 100 ways to leave a
But now it's become a little colorful.
leave a love, 100 ways to leave a love, leave a love, leave a. There's 100 ways to leave a love, and I won't wait a minute longer. 100 ways to leave, but I'm the only one that you need.
Woo! Yeah. all of them like us also dead. And I think the hand gestures mean something. The hand gestures mean something. Do let me know because it's very neat, the hand gestures.
Longer, 100 ways to leave, but I'm the only one that you need.
Damn, his jawline. I was guessing some lady will come up now. I was just in my mind when he did this now. So she's the queen. I think she's the queen. Yeah. Princess or queen.
One that you need. I'm the only one that you need. There's 100 ways to leave a love.
Oh, nice.
Leave a love. 100 ways to leave a love. Leave a love. Leave a. There's 100 ways to leave a love, and I won't wait a minute longer. 100 ways to leave, but I'm the only one that you need.
Awesome. Really like that?
I'm the only one that you need.
You know what? I feel she's the queen. She's the queen or the princess, but she looks like the queen. And he was probably one of the knights, and she was betrothed to somebody else. And then the kingdom found out that they were in love with each other and they were having an affair. And the king or the father, if she's a princess, then I'm guessing the father killed the guy, and that's what that is. So his loyal people, they made him alive, and then they killed the girl also, and then he made her alive. Because 100 ways to kill a lover, but I think so. And Jackson's expressions are so good when he looks like he's in love, and he's so happy to find his love again. That's my boy. See, he's crying,
I'm
and
the
that's
only one
it.
that you need.
So they're together now. I loved it. Yes. Firstly, I did not expect it to be an English song. That was such a surprise for me. Secondly, it is impossible. I don't know, tell me if I'm wrong, ladies and gents. It is impossible not to fall in love with this guy. He has this aura. I have not seen much of GOT7 or Jackson, but whatever I have seen, the first time I reacted to GOT7, Jackson just caught my eye. And then slowly, he's the kind of guy I feel that everyone loves. You cannot help but love this guy. He gives such a positive, friendly vibe for some reason. I know GOT7 have now left JYP. Though, correct me if I'm wrong, the name GOT7, the brand GOT7 is not, JYP has allowed them to use it or something like that. Like the rights are still with the artists, that yes, they can, whenever they want to perform together as a band, they can use the name GOT7, they can use their songs. It's still with the artists. I think JYP has not withheld that right from them. Please correct me if I'm wrong. That's what I have read. So that's great. I mean, yes, let them pursue their solo careers. I wish them all the best, and whenever they want to come back together as a group, perform for their fandom, Agassiz. And I hope that the name that I've pronounced is correctly, Agassiz or Agassiz. I think so. Please correct me if I'm wrong again. But I mean, the fans fandom overall I've seen has been so supportive that yes, I mean, they have been really grateful that okay, GOT7, and we are very happy that they have not renewed that contract from JYP, because apparently once I'll get more into their group and once I study and read more of their articles, I'll understand why, because a lot of people said they have really not been treated fairly or promoted that well as they should have been by JYP Entertainment. So that's one thing that I'll definitely look into that. And yes, even though GOT7 have they are not together anymore contractually, I will definitely react to their stuff. I'll definitely react to them because I really like them. I really like them. So Jackson's 100 Ways, I am so excited to see. After watching this, I'm so excited to see, because now everybody's going to pursue their solo career. So I'm guessing Jackson is going to, of course, concentrate more on expanding his label, his particular label. I'm really excited to see what all now comes out of his label. And it's just not him. I'm guessing he's also going to give platform to other artists as well. Some solo stuff from, I'll be so happy if somebody from his team, the band group comes to his label and just do like a performance or featuring, Jackson featuring so and so, Jackson featuring Mark. That'll be great. So yeah, that was my reaction to 100 Ways by Jackson. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. His voice is so sexy, so beautiful. I really like it because I've listened to only I've listened to his rap most of the time. When he raps, this is the first time where I've listened to his notes and him properly as a vocalist. I loved it. I already love Jackson so much. I already love the guy. I mean, he's my boy. He's my boy from GOT7. So this has made me so happy. I want to check out more of Jackson's stuff. So I am guessing in Team Wang, it's more of his solos only. I do not know if under JYP he has had any solo or not. I'm not sure. You guys will tell me. I'm 100% sure of that. So yeah guys, thanks a lot. I hope you've enjoyed this reaction and I've come till the end of the video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover, and I will see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.